Hey guys, coming to you today with a video where we answer the top 2 questions we get here at Binary Masterclass in regards to binary options trading. All right, question number 1. The top question we get is binary options trading legal for US citizens to participate in? Now keep in mind guys, I'm not a lawyer. I don't pretend to be one. I don't play one on TV. None of this is considered to be legal advice, nor is any of this construed to be financial advice. That having been said, binary options trading is legal for US citizens to participate in, even though it's highly discouraged by the FTC from doing so. Why is it discouraged? Well, because it is considered to be gambling here in the United States. Which brings me to the second biggest question we get: is binary options trading actually gambling? Well, I guess it depends on what the definition of the word is. Meaning, any trading would be gambling if you didn't approach it with a well-constructed, proven plan that is implemented with discipline. Stock trading, currencies, bonds, futures, whatever, unless you educate yourself on what you're doing, put a plan in place and follow that plan with discipline, you are gambling. The same thing with binary options trading. If you come in and expect just to place trades and make money, you're not only going to probably not make money, you're going to lose a lot of money. That's why you need a plan, and that's what we help give you here at Binary Masterclass. And we have a trading room where you can trade live with us, watch the trades we're taking, figure out how to do this in real life and how to make yourself daily extra income on the regular, like I'm doing, like a lot of us are doing. So we invite you to join us in the trading room every Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, as well as the extended trading room open to premium members at 5:15 a.m. Pacific Standard. And as always, guys, if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the link that takes you to our website where you can sign up to join us in the trading room.